So g'day, and in this video I want to take some expressions that I got from a website and just check to see if they are pretty accurate in the analysis between English of the United States and Australia. So that's the website which I took these from, and here's the actual list. So basically we have the American version and we have the Australian version. So the first one, car park. Yeah, we use that quite a lot. And then we've got parking lot for the American version. But in Australia, we pretty much use both of them. So I'll just put a tick if we use both of them. I'll put a tick only on the ones that we use. Okay, so parking lot, car park, same, interchangeable. So pretty much, probably in both countries you can use both of them. Okay, then we got servo, so that's service station or petrol station. So we don't use gas station because gas it's a gas, it's an atmospheric gas. So you got solid, liquid, and a gas, and then after that you got plasma. So gas is one of the four phases of matter. It's probably other phases, but we won't worry about quantum physics or anything like that. Okay, so we don't use gas stations, we use petrol station, service station, or servo. You can use either of those three. Okay, then we have mum. So we spell it with mum, because that's how we pronounce it, not mom. So we use that one, and we don't use. Okay, so we don't use that one. Okay, then we got apartment and flat. Well, basically we use both of them. So apartments, flats, tall buildings. So you got trees there, and you got all these different levels. So that's what we call a flat. An apartment, yeah, we can probably use the same thing as well, for the same type of structure, or probably buildings just all together, so individual buildings together, they can also be apartments. Okay, cab and taxi. Well, basically, cab and taxi. Well, we mostly use taxi, but we also, on the taxis themselves, they're marked as taxi cabs. But we don't call them taxi cabs, we just go, I'm going to call it taxi. So sometimes we also use cab. I'm going to get a cab. So a lot of Australian has imported words from the United States. So a lot of these words that the Americans use, people in Australia will understand them because we have a lot of American TV shows, and now we've got a lot of podcasts, and also you've got YouTube, a lot of American things around the world. So pretty much English is probably around the world is starting to come together as a unified language. Okay, then we got rubber. Okay, you got rubber that you rub a pencil out with. So we don't use eraser, but it's starting to pop into our language. So probably not yet, probably in 20 years. Okay, then we've got fries and chips. So chips, chips are like the big thick ones. Fries will be the small ones, French fries. So basically we use both. And also chips, you can have packets of, I don't know, salt and vinegar chips. Vinegar. So basically we use both. They're interchangeable. Although chips, if you use them for cut up potato, is the thick ones, and the fries are thin ones. And also chips is the processed product. Okay, then we've got line and queue. Well, we use both of them. Okay, yard, garden, We use both of them. They're interchangeable. So, yeah, same with that. Line, queue, queue up in the line. Yeah. Up in the line. So there you go. Okay, then we've got flip-flops and thongs. Well, we use thongs. We don't use flip-flops. Although, I'm in Victoria, so that's Victoria. I think in other states they call these different things, so I'm not too sure about Queensland. So that depends on a state thing. Okay, then we got cigarettes, smokes. Yeah, we use both. Although current rage is vapes, but they're being banned now. Okay, then we got garbage. Garbage, so garbage can or bin. Well, basically, we use both garbage can, bin, and also rubbish bin. So you put the rubbish in the bin, you put the rubbish in the rubbish bin, put the rubbish in the garbage can, put the garbage in the rubbish bin. You can use it all different types of ways for using garbage, bin, and rubbish. Okay, then this one I don't know. Costumes, togs. I think togs is bathers, but we don't really use that here. So I'm going to say this is bathers. So both of these, maybe in other states they use it, but in Victoria this is incorrect. We use bathers. I think they use swimmers or something somewhere. But I just know them as bathers. That's it. So you're bathing in the ocean. Okay, then we've got bathroom and toilet. Yeah, we use a lot of places. You go to restaurants, they have bathroom or toilet on the door. The older way we used to call it is dunny. Most people don't know that word anymore. But most of the places you're going to find just toilet. Okay. Sneakers, runners. Yeah, runners is just normal footwear, but some people do call it sneakers. Probably for the more stylized shoes. Okay, fall, autumn. Yeah, we use autumn. Fall is the old English word for it. And then they change over to autumn, but in the Americas they kept the older word. Okay, then you got vacation and holiday. Yeah, we use both. So there's no difference. Breakfast, brekkie. Well, brekkie's just a shorten of breakfast, so we use both. Then we got food. Yeah, we use food. God, man, what the hell are they talking about? And then we got tucker. So this is the Australian word for food, but like dunny, a lot of people probably don't know what that word is in Australia. So basically, yeah, most of these American words is probably just normal English that we use. So I think these people need to do more research. Anyway, so that's basically it. And wow, maybe I'll do some more if you're interested. Thank you and hooroo.